I had a package waiting for me when I got home from traveling on business. And when I opened this, I honestly smiled. Holy crap. Whoa. Now, I've worked with organizations before, but this is definitely different. La Roche-Posay sent me this incredibly thoughtful skincare package. There was absolutely no obligation to post about it, but I really wanted to take a moment to publicly say thank you. This is massive. But this package also made me realize there are probably a lot of you who don't actually know who I am. Let's change that. So hi, my name is Dr. Cambria Nwosu. I'm a doctor of nursing practice, a registered nurse, and a legal nurse consultant. My career has always centered around healthcare, whether that's caring for patients, leading healthcare operations, reviewing medical records for legal cases, being in the operating room, or even educating the public. I started creating content because I realized something a while ago. Healthcare is absolutely complicated, but it shouldn't be impossible to understand. People deserve to know what's happening with their insurance, their medication, their patient rights, changes in healthcare policy, and the medical health headlines that can actually affect their lives. So every day I read the research, I follow the policy changes, review the evidence, and I break it down into language, hopefully, that's easier to understand. And this is why this means so much to me, because when a company that's focused on skin health reaches out to someone like me whose entire platform is built around health education, it reminds me that this community we're building is reaching people. So thank you, La Roche-Posay, for thinking of me. So I absolutely do want to be clear about something. I'm not a dermatologist and I'm not a pharmacist. And opening a box like this doesn't magically make me an expert on every product inside. So I'm not here to tell you these products are absolutely amazing after looking at them for 5 minutes. But I'm actually going to use them. That will take time. And if something genuinely becomes part of my routine, I will come back and tell you exactly what I think. If it doesn't, I'll tell you that too. So whether I'm talking about sunscreen, patient rights, healthcare policy, insurance changes, or breaking down the latest medical headlines, my mission is always the same: to help people make informed decisions about their health using evidence, transparency, and compassion. So if you're new here, welcome. I am so glad that you're here. And to everyone who's been here from the beginning, thank you. Your support has made opportunities like this possible, and I don't take that for granted. And again, to the La Roche-Posay team, thank you so much for this thoughtful and heavy gift. I'm looking forward to putting these products to the test.